admin ka pa. Ka pala ng
Okay,
fans
so,
club niya dati.
Nung grade 6 ako, I had a friend from the lower batch, grade 5 siya. Tapos, siya yung head admin ng isang JDin fan page.
Oo.
And then, sabi niya, do you wanna be an admin? Kasi you're a fan of JDin then. Kasi we both love Diary ng Pangit.
Oo.
Tapos sabi ko, yes, please gawin mo akong admin. So what we would do is, kapag nag-post yung Viva, we would screen cap it and repost it on our FB page. And umabot siya ng
No.
25K and actually, tinatry ko siyang hanapin. Hindi ko na siya mahanap.
Oh, ano pangalan ng admin page sa'yo?
JDin fan page, unofficial fan page.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Something
And
like that.
look at you now. People are making a lot of fan pages about you too. And you.
I can't believe it.
Galing na, no?
Ilang years
full
ago
circle.
yun?
I was grade 6, so 2013, 2014. 2014.
Grabe. Parang more than 10 years ago.
Mm.
Wow, and Angela, you're Angela now. Does that, is it that crazy?
It's crazy that I think about it kasi kapag tinignan mo yung phone mo, numbers lang may kita mo pero you don't realize that those numbers are real people who are actually following you and watching every move that you make. It's bizarre, but
And
in a good way.
You've been there.
I've been there. I was the one reposting. I was the one fangirling, and now there are people fangirling sa akin
Oh.
na nakakataba ng puso at nakakakilig.
Ano sabi ni Nadine?
Kasi po yung pakilala po ni Mama Barbs, our manager, sabi niya, siya yung kumakanta ng kinakanta mo? Sabi ko, paligoy-ligoy po. Tapos sabi niya, ay, ikaw pala yun. Ganun siya. Tapos, wala na po akong marinig. Parang wala nang pong pasok sa tenga ko. Wala na rin akong nakikita. Kinikilig na lang ako.
Grabe. Hindi, pero parang nataalala niya yung fan page niyo eh.
Para,
Di ba doon sa interaction, parang naaalala niya yung fan page.
hindi naman po siya na-mention kasi nahihiya rin po akong i-mention sa
May nandito mo naman.
May nag-mention sa staff mo. May nag-mention sa
Oh
staff.
my
Kaya ako
God.
actually nakita ko lang na pick up sa video.
Oh my, I didn't
Yung
hear that.
interaction niyo.
I
May
really
nag-mention.
didn't hear that. Nakahihiya.
Ayun, alam na namin lahat. Thank you
Thank you
for
Thank you
expounding
po.
that story.
Okay po. I don't know what to say.
Wala mo yung next MMFF mo with Nadine.
Oo.
Oh my God, I would
Pag-artist.
love that.
Oo, mga sure.
Oo.
Kinikilig po ako. Wala na po akong masabi talaga.
Oo. Wait lang, so
Diba, no?
let's go to your series.